Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I will share with you how you can travel to the UK for free. If this is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way to the very end. And if you're new to this channel, please by all means introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all of my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your support. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for always telling a friend to tell a friend. And thank you for your amazing comments every single time. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, welcome back to the channel where we turn ambition into action and dreams into degrees. If you have ever imagined yourself walking the historic walls of Oxford University surrounded by world-class thinkers and global change makers, this is your moment, because today I'm bringing to you one of the most prestigious fully funded scholarships in the whole wide world, which is the Clarendon Scholarship 2026 at Oxford University. Now, do you know you can study at Oxford University for free? Yes, Clarendon Scholarships 2026 is now open and you can apply. So let's get straight to it. Please note, the Clarendon Scholarship is not just a scholarship, it is a gateway to one of the most elite academic communities on the planet. And the best part is this, it is fully funded, which means tuition is covered, yes, living expenses is covered, and no separate application is required. Yes, you heard me right. Now, what is the Clarendon Scholarship? Now, the Clarendon Fund is one of Oxford's largest and most competitive graduate scholarship programs. Every year, it awards around 200 fully funded scholarships to outstanding students from all over the world. Whether you're applying for a master's or a PhD, here is the magic. There are no restrictions on nationality, so anyone anywhere in the world can apply, regardless of your country, any field of study or mode of study. So whether you're into climate science, whether you're into literature or economics or AI, Clarendon is open to you. And what does it cover? Now, let's talk about money, because this is where it gets real. Do you know that the Clarendon Scholarship offers full tuition and college fees, and it's a generous annual grant for living expenses, enough to comfortably live in Oxford, just to get access to one of the most vibrant, diverse, and intellectually rich communities in the UK. This is not just about funding your education, it's also about transforming your future. And here is how to apply. Now, here is the part that surprises most people. Do you know you don't need a separate application for the Clarendon Scholarship? Yes, you heard me. When you apply to Oxford by December or January 2026, depending on your course, you are automatically considered. What can be better than that? And that means that your Oxford application is your scholarship application. So your job is to make sure that that application shines. And here is what they are looking for. Do you know that Clarendon is all about academic excellence and future potential? They are looking for students who are not only brilliant on paper, but who also show promise to make a real impact in their field. So when you're preparing your application, make sure that you highlight your academic achievements. Yes, so go ahead and share your research interests or career goals. Show how you will contribute to the Oxford community and beyond. This is your chance to tell your story and make sure that you tell it boldly. Now, why Oxford in all of this? Do you know that Oxford is not just a university? It is a launchpad. It is where Nobel Prize winners, world leaders, and groundbreaking researchers have studied. And with the Clarendon Scholarship, you don't even just get access to a top-tier education. You get access to a global network, unparalleled resources, and life-changing opportunities. Now, if Oxford has ever been on your mind, 2026 is the year to go after it. The Clarendon Fund is not just about academics, it's about giving you the platform to achieve greatness. Yes. Now, here is my question to you. Would you actually grab this opportunity? Yes, if it meant studying at Oxford for free, because the door is actually open to all of you. All you need to do is walk through it. So if you are ready to apply, check out the official Clarendon Scholarship page at Oxford's website, or use the link in my description. And if you need help with your application, whether writing your personal statements, yes, I'm here to assist you, or whether choosing the program or understanding the UK admissions process, I've got resources and I've got guides and workshops to walk you through it step by step. Now, do not forget to like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Also, leave your comments in the comments section. I'm here to help you get funded, I'm here to help you get focused, and I'm here to get you into the future that you deserve. So if you're new here, please introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you once again. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, remember I said I promised you I was gonna introduce myself. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And here on this channel, I share 2 videos every week. So make it a day to join your girl every single time, every day on this channel. Like tune in to watch my videos every day. There's something new for someone. There's something for everyone on this channel. And yes, if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, do not worry. I have a Patreon community that you can join. Feel free to use the link in my description or the link in my comments to join my Patreon community, or you can also join my channel membership. This is the link. It's right beside the join. The join button is right beside the subscribe button. So it's the join button that you need to click on and choose any tier of your choice. It's all up to you. Any tier gives you access to book a one-on-one consultation with me. So guys, I want to assure you, please go for your dreams, go for your goals, because your dreams are valid. And if you don't do anything about it, sometime in future you will regret it. Yes, you will regret the steps, the things you never did. So go ahead and go for it. I'm rooting for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you need assistance, you already know what to do. Also let me know in the comments. Or if you want it fast enough, then go ahead and join my Patreon community. Yes, so join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership, because that way you get quick access to me. You're able to fast track services. You're able to speak with me one-on-one, and I can assist you to the best of my ability. So guys, don't sleep on it. This is Oxford University we're talking about here, and you can use the Clarendon scholarships to get into this school. And just so you know, on this channel, I share with you hundreds of fully funded scholarships. Yes, so there are so many scholarships that you don't even know exist. There are lots of scholarships in China, in the UK, in Canada, yes, in the United States. There are lots and lots of them, and I'm constantly researching. So if you're a student and you're looking for quality and value, here is the channel to be, because every single time on this channel, I'm constantly researching. I'm not sleeping. I'm doing all this work so that you guys can chill, right? So I have done all the homework for you. All you need to do right now is to head over to the link in my description and begin to apply for these scholarships. Yeah, so because here on this channel, I want you guys to win, and not just win, I want you guys to win real big. Please do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I have a lot of scholarships that are still coming up here on this channel, so please make sure that you don't miss out on it. Join the winning team, join the winning train. This is your channel to be, and yes, I am here to support you every step of the way. This is the channel where we think big. This is the channel where we go after our goals, where we go after our dreams, where we don't second guess on ourselves, where we don't doubt ourselves. Do not doubt yourself. Once you tune into this channel, like, we are here to win, and not just win, we are here to win real big. So go ahead and join the family, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to do that. It's one of the most important things you can do for yourself this year, is to be part of my channel. Go ahead and join my channel membership if you want to book a one-on-one consultation, or if you want to, really, it's all up to you. And yes, like I said, joining my Patreon community also offers you the chance to book a one-on-one consultation with me. And don't forget, on this channel, I am also open to collaborations, business collaborations and inquiries. Yes, business partnerships, I am open to it. All you need to do is send me an email, ceo@chassiseverything.com. ceo@chassiseverything. I'm going to put it on the screen. So go ahead and send me an email and we can take it from there. So besties, I will see you in my next video. And in case no one has told you, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And check this video right here.